How to claim Dog's airdrop in Telegram wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can claim the Dog's airdrop in your Telegram wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure you have a Telegram wallet. Now, I have 59,991.7 in this account. So I'm going to click on deposit to exchange, then click on Telegram and continue. After that, click on open wallet in Telegram and wait for it. You'll see the exchange and options like trade on market. Click on continue. Then, once the verification is complete, return to Docs to finish any remaining steps. You'll see the option to withdraw to your Telegram wallet. Just confirm the withdrawal and wait for the deposit process to complete. So, that's how you can claim the Docs airdrop in your Telegram wallet. That's all for this video.